Hi there, welcome back again to the channel. Today's tutorial will be on how to bustle your train, either custom, wedding, or whatever you name it. As you can see, my train is not really too much because my client doesn't really want something too long or too busy, and this is what I came up with this lovely lace fabric. So as you can see, from the zip down to where I start the train, this fishtail, I had to put a pin, but it's best if you see and organize what you can see on the screen right now. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do so and turn your notification bell on so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, here is the unfinished skirts. Actually making a corset dress, so this is the down part of the dress. So here is the fishtail train, you can call it a tray, and this is me trying to show you guys how to bustle it if you don't want it to be flowing on the ground while you walk around. If you want it to be, convenient for you while you wait or your clients, this is the best tutorial so far. So stay tuned as I take you along with on this tutorial. So here is the train, and you can see how lovely this looks, even without putting the pin. Oh, this still look good and unique without any discomfort. So here is the pressing button already stitched into that place, and this is the second one. And like I said earlier, this is the best thing to use, which is your hook and eyes. If you can find it or if you have it, this is the best one, and you can use either the color, or you get a similar color to whatever you want to use. So I will be using pressing button, I mean, as the for my own tutorial now. So this is the matching one. You can use the color you can use on this particular color which I'm doing and working on presently. So now I'll take you step by step on how you can achieve it. So I'm holding the center of the train right now, so just watch me as I do in this video. For you to achieve it, you have to hold it at the center part firstly, then you take it on the both sides of your train where you end your stitching at the down part. Then no matter how long your train is, just make sure it's being held at the center, at the middle part of your train, so you can get a proper proper result of whatever you want to achieve. So now after doing that, as you can see, the other pin already inserted at the center there. I will pin this down now into the other side, the other part of the pin, the pressing button. So this is how it looks after pinning it. As you can see, accurate the down part is looking right now. So, and there are different ways you can actually position this so your back of dress would not be looking shabby or skews. So as you can see, this one now I'm trying to achieve a very accurate one, so that the back of the dress will not be looking shabby. So now this is not the best way to do it. As you can see how it is looking not so well, not so good. So now you can see how I pulled that two area out and it's looking so accurate. So you can see how fine this is looking, beautiful this is looking. So now this is the best way to leave the bustle after applying it. This is the best way to leave it. So guys, you can see how it is giving the good view from the back. So I'll take this out now, and then I'll tell you some other details. Depends on your preference how you want it to be. To some people who may want to, you know, be considering putting it, fixing it from the inside, you know, from the inside out. So you can actually do that, but I wouldn't want to, you know, I wouldn't want my dress looking this way, because it's looking somehow crumpy to me. So depends on your preference anyway. So another thing is, you would not want to put it below where it will be jumping as well, like so. So you will not want to put it from here and then fix it. You can see how that looks. So it's actually not advisable to do it that way. And again, you wouldn't want to put it very close from that end to that pin. You can see it will still look longer to what you want your dress to look like. So the best way is to, you know, make sure you get it from where you can fix it, from this side to the place where I actually fix mine, and everything side by side, the back, everything will be looking accurate. You understand? So do you get what I said? So guys, you wouldn't want your, you know, your clothes to be jumping, and again one side will be bent and the other side will be looking somehow crampy. So this is actually the best way to fix it, guys. So like I said earlier, the best thing to use on this bustle is your this hook and eyes you can see on the screen. So you can actually use the main color that matches with your fabric. And again, as you can see it, what I just did is showing is actually very obvious that there's something there. Do you get? So you wouldn't want that to be happening, to be showing too. So this is it. As you can see, guys, that will be all for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. So guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. Until I see you again in the next one, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment below where you're watching this video from, and bye.